So, few words about me. I am Rohit Gaikwad, real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. I have done my MBA in marketing from Pune University, PGDFT, that is postgraduate diploma in foreign trade, international business with the German language, and awarded 21 international certifications like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, YouTube, and renowned brands. Now, I'm planning PhD in real estate. Few research paper got published. I have started my career with ICICI Home Loans, then worked with few reputed developers and corporates like Max Life Insurance as an channel sales manager. Till date, my 5 books and 8 custom literary collections for the real estate got published, and few of them are bestsellers, few more on the way. My articles, interviews got published in leading media channels, newspapers and magazines. I have coached more than 17,000 professionals till date, having the online followers more than 1,80,000 and broker associate network over 5,000 pan India. Here you can see few brands and media channels where my articles and interviews got published. These are the India's top leading brands I am associated with, and these are the courses which you can explore on my official website rohitgaikwad.com. Till time, thank you.